In this video, we will show how to rotate the tires on the 2015 Chevy Equinox. This rotation pattern is the same for any front-wheel drive vehicle. Bring the front tires to the back on the same sides and move the rear tires to the front on the opposite sides. The following tools are needed: floor jack and 2 jack stands, wheel chucks, 22 square socket for the wheel lugs, and a torque wrench. We start by chucking the back wheels. Jack up the front of the car from the center frame until the wheels are off the ground. Place the jack stands under the frame and with a 22mm square socket, take off the front driver's side wheel and using the top corner chart, rotate it to the rear driver's side. First, take off the rear driver's side tire. Here, it's important to remember your front is on jack stands, so not to disturb the level of the vehicle, we place the jack under the rear suspension here, so only the wheel goes up and not the whole vehicle. This rear driver's side will be installed on the front passenger side. But first, install the wheel from the front driver's side to the rear here. Let the jack down and bring the rear driver tire to the front passenger side. Take off the front passenger side to be installed on the rear passenger side and install the tire we already took off from the rear driver side. Now jack up the rear passenger side and take off the tire to be installed on the front driver side. But first, we install the tire from the front passenger side in its place. Remember not to tighten the lug nuts. We'll torque them to spec later. And last, install the rear passenger side to the front driver's side. Again, do not tighten the lug nuts yet. Now we can jack up the front of the vehicle to remove the jack stands and let the jack down. Once all 4 wheels are on the ground, torque all lug nuts in star pattern to 140 foot-pounds for this Chevy Equinox. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.